Yo, what is going on, guys? Paul James here. Welcome back to another video today. Today we are talking about how to make money on Pinterest. This is a beginner-friendly guide, and I'm going to show you how you can make upwards of $603.49 per day like I just made yesterday on Pinterest. We've got the red background going on behind us in honor of the topic of today's video, since that matches the Pinterest logo. Let's jump right into it. Now, to be clear, this money you're seeing over here was generated using Pinterest and a couple other different traffic sources, but Pinterest was in the midst of that as well. Now, let me be clear that just because I got those results, I'm not saying that you're gonna get those results or the same results exactly as I got. But what I can promise you is I can show you exactly how I did it. Does that sound fair? I can also promise you too that this won't be one of those YouTube videos that promote some like spam paid to take surveys type of website. None of that. Okay, with that being said, here's the secret. The secret to making this kind of money on Pinterest is finding a product, coming up with a good angle, and tapping into an underused feature in Pinterest. And that is exactly what I'm going to share with you how to do today. These are real skills that when you learn them and you take action and you apply them, that's how I'm able to go and get results like I just showed you. Okay, so with that being said, let's talk about who this is for. So this might be for you if you want to live the laptop lifestyle. You know, you can do this from anywhere you want, anywhere in the world. I don't care if you're in the United States like I am, or if you're in Canada, you're in India, or somewhere in between. If you like the idea of working your own hours, this definitely might be a strategy that you want to give a try and give it a shot. And if you're starting with zero money, this is also a good option for you because this strategy requires zero startup money. And the reason why and why Pinterest is because, number one, you don't need to have your own website. So you're not having all of the overhead that comes with some of the other methods that we talk about on the channel. Also though, Pinterest is a free traffic source. So you're not having to pay for ads or, pay for ad spend, pay per click, anything like that. So this might be a good strategy for you. If all of those things sound good, or if you checked some of those boxes, then this is going to be a strategy that you'll want to pay close attention to. Check this out. This is a screenshot that I pulled from Google, and what it is it breaks down the monthly visitors Pinterest gets. So you can see here it says, as of the fourth quarter of 2020, Pinterest had 459 million monthly active users worldwide. Now that is absolutely incredible, isn't it? That is a lot of traffic. If you could tap into just a percentage of that, well, you can see why there's no problem making money if you've got the right offer and the right angle, which is what we're going to talk about here today. Okay, so let's jump in. How do you get started making money on Pinterest as a beginner? There's 3 simple steps that I'm going to break down for you in this video, and later in the video, I'll show you a bonus step to tap into, which is an underused feature in Pinterest that's going to help you get even better results. Okay, so with that being said, let's jump into step number 1. So step number 1 is you're going to need to find something that you can promote on Pinterest. Here's what I mean. We're going to go the affiliate marketing route with this strategy, because with the affiliate marketing route, you don't need your own website, which means that you can get started with no investment, and you don't need your own product. If you were to go a different route with this, well, then you would need your own product, which then would mean you would need your own website, which then would mean you would need some startup capital. So the cool part about affiliate marketing is that you get paid 50% or more in commission per sale that you refer. So they basically pay you just for referring customers to their product. Every time you do that, they give you half of the sale, half of whatever they spend. Okay, so where do you find a good affiliate marketing offer? Well, there's networks like Warrior Plus, JVZoo. Those are primarily focused on the business niche. ClickBank you can go to, they have all kinds of other niches. They have business, but they also have things like health and wellness and sports and investing, all kinds of other stuff. Now this is OfferVault right here. And OfferVault has a whole bunch of different offers. Like here's a Bitcoin offer. It pays $600 for every time you refer someone to it. So here's a skin tag offer. It pays $92 every time you refer someone to it. Here's a very, very small offer. It's a music player. Anytime someone installs this music player on their Android cell phone, you get paid $3. Now, another way that you can find offers to promote besides networks like this is you could just go into Google, type in what your niche is, and then just put affiliate program after it. So if your niche was dog training, you could type in dog training affiliate program, and Google will show you some people that are offering affiliate programs for dog training. Okay, so step number 2 is you need to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. Okay, did you do that? All right, now on to the real step 2. The real step 2, for real this time, is come up with an angle. And what I mean by that is you need to come up with a reason beyond just what the product is of why someone should buy it. You have to put your own creative spin on it and make them look at it a different way. And you want to make sure that when you come up with the angle, that your angle is legitimate. Now, I'm really good at this part, and this is the part that really takes practice. When you master this part, that's how you start to make a lot of money with this whole process. So let me give you an idea of what you can do. But before I do have to ask you, are you enjoying this content so far? Because if you are, I'd like to ask you a huge favor. Would you please share this video with someone who you think would enjoy it? We want to take over YouTube. We want to provide the best make money content on YouTube. And in order to do that, more people need to see our content. So help me out by sharing the video. And if you wouldn't mind smashing a like on it for me too, that would help. Okay, so with that out of the way, let me give you an idea example of how to come up with an angle. So let's take a product, for example. Let's say it's a software that allows the user to change the font size on a business's website. So the business's website they can go and install this software on their website, and what it allows it to do is it allows anyone who browses the website to change the size of the font. Now, on the surface, you might think, well, that doesn't really sound like a software. Like, how am I going to promote this software to people? That's where an angle comes into play. And this is the part where I'm really good at. So angle, here's the angle. Business owners need to stay ADA compliant because business owners are getting sued by lawyers who are trying to sue people for not having ADA compliant websites. What does that mean? ADA is the American Disability Association, and if people come to a website who, let's say, are blind or partially blind, and they're not able to change the text size of the website, that business owner could be at risk for being sued. Boom, that's an angle, right? That gives people a reason to buy. So that's what I mean by an angle. Take a product, find out what kind of problems the product solves, and craft your angle. And this is how you get really, really good at affiliate marketing. Okay, now step number 3, and this is the bonus step I was telling you about. You're going to need to create a Pinterest profile, obviously, because we're going to be using Pinterest as our traffic source to drive traffic to our affiliate offer. But here is the bonus step. Instead of doing image content on Pinterest, that's what everyone does, I want you to do video content. And I want you to upload that video content as what's called an idea pin. You can see here on Pinterest's website, Pinterest introduces idea pins globally and launches new creator discovery features. So you can go and you can upload a video, just a short video, it could be 15 seconds long, and you can create it as an idea pin when you're uploading the video. You can actually shoot the video right on your phone with the Pinterest app. Now, why does this work? Well, it works because most people on Pinterest are still doing image content. So just by doing videos alone, you're going to stand out from the crowd. But also, social platforms now are encouraging short form video content. Pinterest is doing it, YouTube is doing it, Instagram is doing it. So if you tap into this early on, they will reward you for it because they are trying to compete with TikTok right now. Now you want to get on this early because it's the early adopters of new features and new platforms that always come out ahead of the curve and always come out ahead of everyone else. Now here is the strategy that I want you to go and start just being disciplined on and taking every day. So pick an offer, and then what you want to do is you want to make about 3 videos per day on that offer for 3 to 5 days. Okay, just following the strategy that I laid out here. Come up with an angle, shoot 15-second videos on it, post them to Pinterest, and then every 3 to 5 days, come up with a new offer. okay? And then repeat the process. So now you have everything you need to know to make money on Pinterest as a beginner. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'm gonna leave links to some other videos that I think you'll like right here on the screen. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe, tick the bell notification icon, and I will notify you every time I post a new money-making guide. All right, guys, I will see you in another video. I am Paul James. Peace out.